Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Instagram direct message. When you delete a direct message from Instagram on your Android, it will no longer be displayed in your app. However, Instagram will continue to keep it on their servers. To get back and recover deleted messages, you have to ask Instagram for your account information and then get back the message that were deleted. Follow these steps to access information from your account. Open Instagram and enter your login details. Access your profile page by tapping the profile shape icon in the right corner of your Instagram screen. Then, tap the icon that looks like three lines at the top of the screen and a new pop-up menu will appear. Following the menu, select Settings, then select Security from the drop-down menu. To access the data you've deleted, go to the very bottom of the page within the Data and History section. Enter the email address that is linked to your Instagram account to get a copy of your downloaded data. Once you've entered your email address, you can click Request Download to initiate the download process. Enter the verification password and tap the Next button. Following this, a message like this will be displayed. Your request to download the data associated with your account has been processed successfully. And finally, you will receive a message like the one in the following video. Then, check your inbox for a message from Instagram within the next 14 days. Once you get the message, simply download the data by tapping the button. One option for retrieving deleted messages from Instagram is to utilize a third-party program, such as Uphone. These applications can be downloaded from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. By using the cache files on your iOS or Android device, these tools can recover messages and data that have been deleted. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.